it brought me out of my shell, being that I tried different things that I never thought I would do. It stretched me and challenged me because I'm normally used to just doing something for a short amount of time then going to sleep. But this really kept me active and it kept me informed, and so that's what I really appreciate about it. And ziplining was so much fun. Oh my gosh, I overcame my fear. I thought I was gonna die, honestly, but I made it, and it's just an amazing experience.
The most important thing is just being open and being able to speak up on certain sensitive topics, because it really can help make the space much comfortable for others.
The food is great, but the fellowship is better.
Oh, that was the